Did you see the tail on that one? You got it? Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa.
He doesn't know he's hooked yet. Okay, white and low.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't let that dang knot.
Okay, just
Okay,
then they'll
okay.
lift the rod up,
Okay,
Mike.
okay.
There you go.
Hard to tell if I'm hooked on him or the.
It's just a big fish to where
It's
it's
a
not
big
moving.
Whoa!
Whoa! Good one. Especially back in here at a creek.
And again, I want to put pressure, but I don't.
Yeah,
wanna,
no, you're good. You're good. You're
I
good.
understand about wearing him out.
Well, he's not going to wear him out yet.
Well, no, but the more pressure I put on him immediately,
Sure.
it's just tarpon fighting 101, right?